You are using the Brave browser, but you are probably not using it to its full potential. Most people think privacy means simply blocking ads or hiding a few trackers, but modern tracking networks have become far more advanced. They don't just follow your clicks, they build digital profiles from your behavior, your browsing patterns, your location signals, and even your online habits. But what if your browser could become more than just a window to the internet? What if it could become a privacy-focused command center designed to reduce your digital footprint? Today, we are going beyond normal browsing. We are exploring how Brave's built-in privacy infrastructure, including its native crypto wallet and VPN features, can transform your everyday browser experience into a more private and secure environment. This is not about disappearing from the internet completely, because true anonymity online is extremely difficult. This is about understanding the tools available and learning how to take control of your digital identity. The privacy problem nobody talks about. Every time you open a browser, you create a trail. A search here, a website visit there, a login somewhere else. Individually, these actions may seem harmless, but combined together, they create a digital fingerprint. Companies can analyze your interests, habits, shopping patterns, and online behavior. Even small pieces of information can become valuable when connected together. Your browser knows more about you than you might realize. Traditional browsers are designed mainly for convenience. They remember passwords, they sync your history, they store your preferences, and while these features are useful, they often rely on centralized systems where your information is connected to large ecosystems. This is where privacy-focused browsers like Brave take a different approach. Instead of making privacy an optional setting, Brave builds many privacy protections directly into the browsing experience. It blocks many trackers automatically, it reduces unwanted script, and it gives users more control over what information they share. But the real question is, can you go beyond simple private browsing? Can you build a stronger privacy setup? That is where Brave's additional tools come in. Brave Wallet. Your browser becomes your digital vault. Most people think a crypto wallet is only for storing digital currencies, but a modern crypto wallet represents something bigger. It represents control. Traditional online financial systems usually require you to connect your identity with your activity. You create an account. You verify information. You depend on a centralized company to manage access. A self-custody wallet changes this relationship. Brave Wallet is built directly into the browser, allowing users to manage digital assets without needing a separate extension. That means fewer third-party tools, fewer extra connections, and fewer opportunities for malicious extensions to access sensitive information. The idea behind self-custody is simple. You control the keys, you control access, you control your assets. But this also comes with responsibility. A wallet does not magically make every transaction anonymous. Blockchain networks are transparent by design. Transactions can often be viewed publicly. So, privacy is not about hiding everything. It is about understanding what information you expose and how different pieces of your digital identity connect together. A common mistake people make is connecting every online activity to the same identity, the same email, the same accounts, the same profiles. Once everything is connected, creating separation becomes much harder. Privacy begins with awareness, the power of separation. One of the strongest concepts in digital privacy is separating your identity from your activity. Think about your online presence like a puzzle. Every account, website, and service adds another piece. The more pieces connected together, the easier it becomes for someone to understand the full picture. Privacy-focused users try to reduce unnecessary connections. They limit the amount of personal information shared. They avoid installing unnecessary extensions. They review permissions, and they think carefully before linking services together. Brave helps by reducing many passive tracking methods. Its privacy shields can block certain trackers, cookies, and unwanted scripts before they collect information. This creates a cleaner browsing environment. But remember, privacy tools work best when combined with smart habits. The strongest security system can still fail if the user gives away information willingly. Brave VPN, adding another layer of protection. Now, let's talk about another important piece of the puzzle, your internet connection. Whenever you browse online, your internet service provider and the websites you visit may receive information about your connection. This can include your IP address, which can reveal information about your network and approximate location. A VPN works by creating an encrypted connection between your device and a VPN server. Instead of directly connecting to websites, your traffic is routed through the VPN service. This can add another layer of privacy, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks or unfamiliar connections. Brave's VPN feature is designed to integrate directly into the browser experience. The goal is simple: make your online activity harder to track by reducing exposure of your network information. But there is an important reality: a VPN is not an invisibility cloak. It does not make you completely anonymous. If you log into personal accounts, share identifying information, or use the same patterns everywhere, those connections can still reveal your identity. A VPN is a privacy layer, not a magic shield. Combining Brave tools into a privacy-focused setup, the real power comes from combining multiple layers. Think of privacy like building a fortress. One wall is helpful, but multiple walls create stronger protection. A privacy-focused Brave setup could include strong browser protection, carefully managed permissions, a secure password system, a VPN connection when appropriate, a self-custody wallet for digital assets, and responsible online habits. Each layer reduces unnecessary exposure. For example, your browser reduces trackers, your VPN reduces network visibility, your wallet reduces dependence on centralized platforms. Together, these tools create a more controlled digital environment. The goal is not to become invisible. The goal is to stop giving away more information than necessary. Protecting against digital fingerprinting. Many people focus only on cookies and ads, but modern tracking can go deeper. Digital fingerprinting uses technical information about your device and browser configuration to create a unique profile. Things like screen settings, browser behavior, installed features, and system details can sometimes be combined to recognize users. This is why privacy requires more than simply deleting cookies. Changing too many settings randomly can sometimes make your browser configuration more unique, which can actually make fingerprinting easier. A balanced approach works better. Use privacy tools, keep software updated, avoid unnecessary modifications, and reduce the amount of information your browser reveals. Privacy is not about making yourself look unusual. It is about reducing unnecessary exposure. The biggest mistakes privacy users make. Many people install privacy tools but continue making the same mistakes. They use the same password everywhere. They download random extensions. They click suspicious links. They connect every service together. They ignore security updates. A private browser cannot protect you from poor digital habits. The strongest privacy strategy is a combination of technology and behavior. Your tools matter, but your decisions matter more. The future of the internet is not just about speed and convenience. It is about control. Brave shows that a browser can become more than a place to search and scroll. With privacy-focused features like built-in protections, wallet integration, and VPN capabilities, users have more opportunities to take control of their digital footprint. But remember, privacy is not one button you press. It is a system you build, a system based on awareness, better choices, and using the right tools for the right situation. If you found this deep dive useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more technology, privacy, and cybersecurity breakdowns.